FIFA World Cup is about to kick off very soon, and the first match is going to be Mexico versus South Africa. So let's build a machine learning model to predict what's going to be the results. I know there's mixed opinion out there, but let's see what data actually says. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull historical data like FIFA rankings, ELO ratings, recent forms, rest days, home context, but also we're going to pull historical results in the World Cup since a long time. So all this data is going to be messy, obviously, and raw, so we have to clean it up and normalize it for that reason. This is the normalization layer that we're going to implement to put this data all condensed in one sole dataset. So we're going to ingest this data into an ensemble model. An ensemble model is essentially a fancy way of saying two models that are going to be working together. So in this case, we're going to have the first model that is going to be a model called Dixon calls. So this is like the football expert layer. We're going to try to predict what's the most probable scoreline given the attack strength, the defense strength of each team. Then I will blend it with an XGBoost model. This is like the statistical layer. So this model will look up what is the likelihood of winning, losing, and draw per each team given the ELO gap, given the FIFA ranking difference, given the home advantage, and given the rest days difference, because obviously these stats must reflect also an advantage. Now we're going to run the model and let's see what's going to be the results. So the results go 65.1% to Mexico, draw 22%, and South Africa 13%. So to have more context about this, let's compare this with polymarket data. And surprise for me, polymarket data is slightly different, however, not that different, meaning that the model is actually giving some solid predictions and not vibing around. So polymarket goes 69% for Mexico, 21% draw, and 11% for South Africa. So this is, I think it's pretty close. So tell me in the comment which prediction shall I do next, and if you like predictions like this, follow for more.